Hello बच्चों, the question is which of the following contraceptive methods involve a role of hormone? So methods of contraception, it means the methods used for controlling the childbirth. So if a couple doesn't want to have a child, so these methods are used. So there are several types of methods, but here we have to find out the methods which are based on the hormonal action. So let's see the options one by one. So first is pills, emergency contraceptives and barrier method. So barrier method includes the use of condoms and femidoms, male or female condoms and other barrier which prevent the meeting of sperm and egg. So but these do not are based on the hormonal action, so this is discarded because barrier method do not work or they do not contain any hormone. So this one is incorrect. The second one is lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptives. So both all the three methods are based on the hormones. So this is right one. Now barrier method, lactational amenorrhea and pills. So again barrier method is incorrect, so it is discarded. Then copper T, pills and emergency contraceptive. So copper T doesn't have any hormone, so it is also discarded. So the right answer of this question is option B. Now let's see the explanation. So first is lactational amenorrhea. Lactation means the period of or we can say the milk production. The period of milk production is called the lactational period, and amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. So in a intensely lactating female, means a female during the early days of the means parturition, after parturition, during the early 6 period. So what happens, intentional lactation is there, means production of milk is there. So the lactation is due to the hormone prolactin, because the milk production, for the milk production hormone prolactin is responsible, but the prolactin acts on the pituitary and it inhibits the secretion of GnRH by the hypothalamus and also the secretion of FSH and LH by the anterior lobe of pituitary. So when the level of prolactin is high, the level of gonadotropins is low. So the low level of gonadotropins is responsible for amenorrhea, means absence of menstruation. So this is a hormonal method because it is based on the hormonal action. Now the second method is pills. So pills can be, means oral pills. So pills can be like emergency pills or the normal pills which are taken on the daily basis by the females to avoid the pregnancy. And the pills contain hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. In the combined pills, both estrogen and progesterone is there, and in the mini pills, only progesterone is there. And also the emergency pills have a synthetic version of progesterone. So they have a synthetic version of progesterone, a hormone which is released by the corpus luteum. Now both these types of pills, the normal pills and the emergency pills, they have progesterone, and progesterone delays or stops ovulation. So if there is the unprotected sexual intercourse, so there can be chances of fertilization. So in those cases, within the 72 hours of sexual intercourse, the emergency pills are taken which have the synthetic version of hormone progesterone, and the high level of progesterone stops or delays the ovulation, so chances of pregnancy are not there. So these all methods, lactational amenorrhea, pills and emergency contraceptives, are based on the hormones. So the option number B is our right answer. If we look further, then barrier method and copper T, these do not are based on the hormonal mechanism. So these are discarded. So I hope this explanation is clear. All the best.